So friends, for making this DIY body scrub, our first ingredient is 2 tablespoons of ground flour, which we call besan in Hindi. Besan helps you a lot in removing all the tan, dead cells from your body. So our first ingredient is besan. Second ingredient is turmeric. As we all know, this is turmeric DIY body scrub. So I am taking like a little amount of it, a pinch of haldi I must say. Our third and last ingredient is 1 tablespoon of rose water. Rose water helps you a lot in refreshing. It has a very good smell and its essence is too good, so rose water is must. 1 tablespoon of rose water. Just mix them well and let me show you. You have to just apply it, scrub it on your hands, legs, whole body, and trust me, this body scrub will gonna remove all the dead cells, impurities. The best thing is that it removes the tan, making your skin, making your whole body glowy and fair. Just try it now, beauties. Please subscribe my channel, please follow me. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.